How's it going, guys, and welcome to the second video in a series where I'll be showing you how to code an Arduino. So previously I spoke about the setup function and the loop function. Today we're going to use these two to send messages from the Arduino back to the computer. But first we need to create a new Arduino sketch. So going to the File menu, press on New, and we get a brand new Arduino window. So now we need to also just save this project on our computer, so our hard drive. So we'll press on File again and press on Save As, and just select a place to put this. We can just say put it inside here and then press Save. So now the project is saved to your computer. Alright, we can now write some code out. So inside this setup function, just get rid of this comment right here. Okay, so now you need to initialize and set up the communication line between your Arduino and your computer. So typing out serial.begin, then a bracket. Now here is where you put the baud rate. Now the baud rate is how fast the Arduino can send messages to the computer and vice versa. So we'll just type out 9600. Now that's the most common baud rate you'll see. Alright, we can then just put down another bracket and then a semicolon. Now that line right there, as I said, will initialize the communication between your Arduino and your computer. So that's done. We can now go inside the loop function and write out one more line. We can say Serial.println, one more bracket. Now we can, inside here, put the message that you want to send from your Arduino to your computer. Now start it off with a quotation mark. Then your message. For example, how's it going, mates? Alright, one more quotation mark, bracket, and a semicolon. Now that will send a message from your Arduino to your computer. What message? Well, how's it going, mate? Okay, so the whole program is now done. We can now upload this to the Arduino itself. So going over to the upload button, this arrow, we'll press this one, boom. So now the program is being compiled. Now compiled means it's being converted into machine readable code. Now it's been uploading and it's all done, so the code has been uploaded to your Arduino on the board itself. So now, in the background, as I'm talking right now, my Arduino is sending a message to my computer. But I can't see it. That's because the serial monitor needs to be open. So going over to the magnifying glass button, that's called the serial monitor. Click on that. Now we have a brand new window opened up, and it's that one right there. This is the serial monitor. So we can see all the messages that the Arduino sends back to the computer. Here we have how's it going, mate? And it's running repeatedly, like infinitely. It just keeps looping. Now that's because it's inside the loop function. It's called loop for a reason, right? So it keeps looping through and running this code 24/7. Boom, boom, boom. It doesn't stop. Now, one thing to point out, if you don't see this right here, it's probably because your baud rate isn't set to the one that you provide in the program. So here mine's set at 9600. And so is the one in my program. So if you see mangled symbols, your baud rate could be on a different value. So if I change mine to 19200, we get all this stuff. So obviously that's wrong. So make sure the baud rate that you have selected right here is the same one as the one that you provide in your Arduino code. There we are. Beautiful, mate. Now one more thing, I'm going to show you the delay function. So we can put a delay for this. We can say, how's it going, mate? Wait 2 seconds and then do it again. So back inside the code, we can press enter right here and then write out delay, 2 brackets. Now here is where you put how many milliseconds you want the program to be delayed by. For example, 2000 milliseconds is 2 seconds. So that right there will delay your program for 2 seconds each time it says how's it going, mate. Let's now upload this. Press on that one. It'll compile once again. And it's done. Let's now go inside the serial monitor once again. And we can see it says, "How's it going, mate?" Then it pauses for 2 seconds. Once again, 2 seconds, boom, boom, boom. So it pauses for 2 seconds each time it sends, "How's it going, mate?" Alright, so that is how you can use the Arduino to send messages to your computer over Serial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.